what would you say is the economic impact on the fleet or the owner operator? How does this translate into reducing the cost of that unscheduled breakdown event?
Well, the positioning is to optimizing the breakdown process from the service provider side. They're doing the heavy lifting here. And so what we've got to do is cut down on the back and forth phone calls. We've got to allow them to do their job quickly, have more information to get there faster with possibly more of the tools and items they need. So the app is going to cut down on that time, the traditional time it takes from phone call to a service provider that can come out and fix that truck or get them back up and running. And some of these are hours and hours of time waste, waiting for inefficiencies. Our goal is to try to keep them all within 90 minutes from the phone call.